On September 1st, 2021, Hurricane Ida destroyed our home and studios in Lambertville, New Jersey, including our black box theater, rehearsal studios, and offices. The water rose to 8 feet, and we watched helpless to nature's wrath. Walls collapsed, pianos overturned, equipment destroyed, but for the kindness of our community of volunteers, dancers, donors, and board members, we tried to salvage what we could. Within a week, the New Hope Eagle Fire Department donated their banquet hall as our temporary refuge. Melissa and I, volunteers, board members, and staff, power washed, steam cleaned, and salvaged whatever we could as we began the process of creating a new dance space. Our classes and the company rehearsals continued, holding our Nutcracker auditions and performing at 5 different outdoor venues throughout New Jersey. We also performed our annual holiday classic, The Nutcracker, a special sensory show, and new holiday celebration show in Lambertville alongside the Historical Society. We produced a Rise Up fundraiser with dinner drinks donated by world-renowned chef Mark Shire. In 2022, we were off to the races with auditions for our spring production of Mowgli, the Jungle Book Ballet, and graduation ball. Our dancers performed for educational residencies at Mercer Elementary, Northern Hills Academy for the special needs and disabled youth. Our costume designers spoke about their Mowgli creations, and we showcased rehearsals on the Roxey Ballet channel. Mowgli and Graduation Ball were performed at Villa Victoria Theatre in April. When we also collaborated with Hunterdon Art Museum and Malcolm Mobutu Smith's exhibit Evermore, Nevermore. We ended our season with preschool residencies and our groundbreaking musical, The C Word, Stories of Triumph Over Breast Cancer, telling the stories of 22 breast cancer survivors and their families. As we take a bow on our season of strength, we finished up our residencies at Sussex and Highbridge, New Jersey. We also continued our community outreach and work at the Pride Festival. Lambertville and New Hope and the surrounding community were treated to multiple local performances. And we ended classes at the Mill Ballet School in New Hope, Pennsylvania. We look forward to the 2022-2023 season as we begin the renovations of our new Black Box Theater, hanging the pictures of the past on our new administrative offices in Frenchtown, New Jersey, and putting down new floors, painting, hanging new curtains, lights, and creating our new hope in New Hope. We look forward to transforming our beautiful Rivertown community for the next 28 years. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned as we rise.